Hi, today I'm reviewing DOOGEE X97 Pro and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to scan QR codes with the DOOGEE device, we should first open the notification panel shortcuts, and here we should find now the QR code scanner. Just tap once on this icon to activate this option. Here we should now place our QR code inside of this frame, so let's just do it. Wait a second, and after that our device directly automatically open this QR code scanner link. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.